Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Ring camera privacy zones and masking areas, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable privacy zones and masking areas on your Ring camera, first, open the Ring app on your mobile device. Log in to your Ring account if prompted. From the home screen, locate and select the camera you wish to configure. Tap on the gear icon to access the device settings. Scroll down and select Privacy Zones. You will see the option to add or modify privacy zones. Tap on Add a privacy zone to begin. Using the touchscreen, draw a box around the area you want to hide. Adjust the corners of the box to fit your needs. Once satisfied with the shape, tap Save. You can repeat this process to add more privacy zones if necessary. To mask areas instead, go back to the device settings. Select Masking Areas from the menu. Tap on Add a masking area. Just like with privacy zones, draw a shape on the feed to cover unwanted areas. Once the shape is defined, tap Save to confirm. Review the changes in the live view to ensure the zones and masking areas are correctly applied. If needed, return to the settings to adjust or remove any zones. Remember to exit the settings once you're finished. Your Ring camera will now operate with the new privacy settings in place. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.